I'm using scissors.
Grandma, can I have my scissors?
I'll find them for you in just a minute, okay?
Maddie, where does the trash can go? Maddie.
Not now.
What are you doing?
Did you just say not now, T?
What are you doing, Maddie?
Not now.
What are you doing?
Speak, child. What are you doing? What are you doing with that wrapping paper?
Not now, guys. Not now, guys.
What are you doing?